Hello, 6th graders. It is Mr. Anderson. I'm recording from my car right now. Yes, my car. So I will not be in school the rest of the week, and probably about half of next week too. I do have coronavirus. I'm doing fine. I have minor symptoms, and so I have to be in quarantine for about 9 or 10 more days. Okay, so which means I can only pretty much go to my bedroom and the bathroom, and that's it. I can probably go to my car because I've got my own car, and just so I can upload some videos. So I'm just let you know about that. I do plan on seeing you guys online tomorrow for our half day for math. Okay? So, hopefully you are done, or pretty much done, typing all of your slides. Okay? And so now it's kind of the fun part. This is kind of like putting on the frosting on your cake. Okay? You're just putting some decoration on this. So I made this little one here just to remind you how to do some of these things. So the first thing we're going to want to do is probably this white background. It's pretty boring, isn't it? So let's pick a different theme. So you click on theme right here, and you've got all of these to choose from. So let me take a look here. That one's okay, I guess. I kind of like to look at this one, except I don't like the color. So what you can do now, if you right-click on here, let's see. Oh, no, maybe not right-click. So if we go to background, that's what I meant. You can choose a different color. So maybe I want more of a blue because the earth is blue. So I pick the color. As you can see, it only changes one of them. If you want to change all of them, you click Add to Theme, and now they're all blue. Okay, well, that's okay. It's not my favorite, but I'm just going to keep with it, make it work. One thing you have to realize, though, is make sure you can see the words on here. This is a kind of a darkish background, so that's why I've got the white words. Okay, so what you don't want to do is something like this. If you have a background color, I've got white words, and then I use like a yellow. Yeah, that hurts my eyes. That won't work. Okay, so we need to make sure if you have black as your color of your words, then you want a light background, right? So you want it opposite. So I can just somehow, yeah, I'll stick with that. Okay. So that's the first thing. Then I can exit that out. The next thing is probably transitions right here. And so remember a transition. If we go here, you can pick different things like dissolve. You can push play to see how that looks. You click stop. You can pick how fast it goes from slide to slide. Don't pick like 4.8 seconds for the slide to turn. Just way too long, and I'd have to take out points for that, okay? So I think, I don't know, that should be good. And I'm going to apply it to all of the slides. And you can always check it by pushing present, click, and it just dissolves into the next one. I can push escape at any time to get out of presentation. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now let's see. If I click on my words like earth here, I can add an animation. And that means when I click, it will do what it says on here, flying from the top. You can pick the speed. Ooh, I don't want it to take that long. And then you can click play. You'll see how it looks. I click, and there it comes. Okay, and then stop, And then if I can click on the next set of words, I can add an animation to that too. And yeah, I'm just going to do fade in. I wouldn't do fade out ever. Probably just fade in. So you don't want the words to leave the page. So fade in. Alright, see how that looks. I click Earth by Mr. Anderson. Good. I like that. Click on the next slide. Okay, what is Earth named after? Maybe I want to keep that, and I just want to animate the bottom part. Okay, I guess it's kind of up to you how you want to do this. So I click on the words I want to animate, click on Add Animation, and click on which one you want. Boy, let's go fly in. We want to fly out. We want to fly in from the bottom. Don't do fly out. We want it to come in. Okay. Oh, it's going through all of it. Boom. Okay. Looks good. Do that for every single slide. You should have at least one animation on every slide. So I won't do all of it. Okay. So that'll be the next thing. The next thing is adding pictures. Okay, pictures are very important, especially we're talking about planets here. We want to see your planet. So how do we add pictures? Okay, so if you go to Insert, and then we go to Image, and we can go search the web. On the side, I'm going to type in Earth. All right, so that's pretty cool. Ooh, I like this one actually. So if you click on it, we can click on Insert. Obviously a little bit big here, right? So what we can do here is I'm just going to move it out of the way. I can move this around. I can move this out of the way again. If I right click, let's see if I can find format options. Position, no. Oh, I don't know. So I'm just going to move that up. Okay. Then I can resize it. Always grab a corner when you resize. Okay. And then, there we go. That looks pretty good. Okay. And then you go to the next one. Soil. I wonder if there's going to be soil on here. So you don't have to have a picture for every slide, but it'd be nice to have quite a few. So if I type in soil, I wonder what I'd get. Ooh, yeah. There's a lot of good stuff here to look at and choose from. That looks pretty good. So I can insert that, or I can just slide it over. Obviously too big. Alright. Okay, does that make sense what I'm doing here? And like when you get to the moon slide, I don't have it on here, you can type in like a name of your moon. So, for instance, if I wanted Moon Titan, there we go. Okay, obviously you could put this in because this would compare the size of our moon to Titan to Earth. As you can see, Titan's pretty big for a moon. Okay, so and this is a good one for the sun. A picture of the sun on this, like a real picture, like this one or this one. Probably not that one. Well, I guess you can. It's up to you. Okay. Yeah, it is your presentation, so you decide what you think is good. Okay. That's a pretty cool picture of the sun there, isn't it? And what also you can do is you can also animate your pictures too. So all you have to do is go back to Animate. I click on the picture, and oh, there we go. I think it says right there. Fade in on click. I can change it. I can make it fly. I can make it spin. See how that looks. Oh, nice. All right. Sweet. Okay. So that's what you're going to be doing today. You'll be putting on the decorations on your presentations. Okay? All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.